Hello, everyone. In the previous lectures, we talked about historical development or organizational behavior, focusing on classical approach. In this video, let's get a little closer to the present day. So, the topic of this video is modern approaches to organizational behavior. First, let's focus on systems theory. Systems theory has emerged as a pivotal framework in modern organizational behavior, providing a comprehensive approach to understanding the complexities of organizations. Rooted in the interdisciplinary study of systems, this theory views organizations as open systems that interact with their environments and consist of interrelated components. Ludwig von Bertalanffy, a biologist, is often credited with developing the general systems theory in the mid-20th century, which later found extensive applications in organizational studies. At its core, systems theory posits that organizations are composed of various subsystems, including individuals, groups, and processes, which function interdependently to achieve organizational goals. This perspective contrasts with earlier mechanistic views, which tended to isolate components of organizations without considering their interactions and the broader environment. Systems theory emphasizes that the behavior of an organization cannot be fully understood by examining its parts in isolation. Rather, it requires a holistic approach that considers the dynamic relationship and feedback loops among these parts. A key concept in systems theory is the idea of open systems, which interact continuously with their environment. This interaction involves the exchange of information, energy, and resources, enabling the organization to adapt and evolve in response to external changes. Open systems are characterized by input, transformation, output, and feedback processes. Input refers to the resources and information acquired from the environment. Transformation processes involve the conversion of these inputs into outputs. And outputs are the products or services delivered back to the environment. Feedback mechanisms provide information about the output's effectiveness, which is used to make necessary adjustments to the system. One of the significant contributions of system theory to organizational behavior is its emphasis on the importance of alignment and coherence among various subsystems. For an organization to function effectively, there must be a harmonious alignment between its structure, culture, strategy, and processes. Misalignment among these subsystems can lead to inefficiencies, conflicts, and suboptimal performance. For example, an innovative strategy may fail if the organizational culture does not support risk-taking and creativity. Systems theory also underscores the importance of adaptability and flexibility in organizations. In a rapidly changing and complex business environment, organizations must be able to respond to external pressures and opportunities. This requires a capacity for learning and innovation, as well as the ability to reconfigure internal processes and structures in response to environmental changes. The concept of dynamic capabilities, which refers to an organization's ability to integrate, build, and reconfigure internal and external competencies, is closely aligned with systems theory and has been extensively studied in recent organizational research. Moreover, systems theory highlights the significance of feedback loops in organizational processes. Positive feedback loops amplify changes and can lead to exponential growth or decline, while negative feedback loops stabilize the system by counteracting deviations from desired states. Effective management of these feedback loops is crucial for maintaining organizational equilibrium and ensuring long-term sustainability. The application of systems theory in organizational behavior extends to various areas, including strategic management, organizational design, and change management. For instance, strategic management frameworks such as the balanced scorecard incorporate systems thinking by linking financial and non-financial performance measures to an organizational strategy and operational processes. Similarly, organizational design principles based on systems theory advocate for structures that facilitate communication, coordination, and adaptability. In conclusion, systems theory provides a robust framework for understanding and managing the complexities of modern organizations. By emphasizing the interdependencies among organizational components and their interactions with the environment, this theory offers valuable insights into achieving alignment, adaptability, and sustained performance. As organizations continue to navigate an increasingly complex and dynamic landscape, the principles of systems theory remain highly relevant and widely applicable in organizational behavior research and practices.